Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys see from the title of this video, today I will do a review on the Juvias new lipstick collection, and I am super beyond excited to review this lipstick because if you guys have been watching my previous videos, I love me a new and lovely lipstick. So to be able to review this lovely lipstick is just super excited for me. And as you guys already see, I already went ahead and did my makeup base, and I really want to just focus on the lipstick. So with this review, I want to see how good this lipstick is. And I know when a lipstick has good formula, I know when it slides on your lips and everything. So with that being said, my loves, before we start this video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so that way you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. And yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this review. Okay, you guys, so we just gonna go ahead and start this review. I am super nervous but also super excited. So first of all, let's take a moment and pray for this lips, because I'm not sure how my lips is going to react, because I don't put like a bunch of lipstick at the same time. So let's hope my lips survives. Okay, you guys, so to make this lipstick a full review, I went ahead and bought two of the Juvias lip liner. This one is in the shade Cola and the other one is in the shade So Rare. So this shade is So Rare and this right here is Cola. So Cola is definitely darker than So Rare. So I think today I'm gonna be using So Rare the most. And I also went ahead and bought the lip reflect gloss, and this is in the shade Sis. And when I open the package, this is how this lip gloss looks. I love the packaging. It looks very thick, very bold and beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be loving this lip gloss already just by looking at it. So the first shade that I'm gonna be trying out is Libra. Oh wow, look at this. It is super duper cute. It has the little yay logo over here, and you could see the shade, and the packaging, it's super cute. It's simple but it's very lovely and I just love it. Now let me open it up. So this is how this lipstick looks, super new. I always love to smell a lipstick, and this one does have a scent. So whenever I apply a lipstick, I love to outline my lips. So let me go ahead and outline my lips. For this, I'm gonna use the shade So Rare. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply Libra. And I usually like to go with the lipstick again. I mean, the lip liner, not the lipstick. And just blend it out with my fingers. Alright guys, so this is Libra. OMG. My first impression is that when I glide this lipstick is super soft, super creamy, and it doesn't stick in your lips. Like, it's matte, but it's a dewy matte. And look at this, it's super duper creamy, super cute. I love the shade. I definitely will be wearing this. Yes, I really love this combination. The lip liner and everything is just absolutely stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and try the other shade. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips again. And by the way, this lip liner, OMG, it is super creamy as well, super pigmented. Like, Who doesn't love a pigmented lip liner, you know? So the next shade is Mademo. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this, but I'm gonna try this shade, and let's go ahead and open it up. And this is how this shade is looking. Very similar to the other one, but this one is quite a bit tanner if I'm not mistaken. But let's see how it looks on the lips. So this is how this one looks like. Like, look at this. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love the color shade as well. Same consistency, super buttery, super good. And yeah, this is how this lipstick looks. So let's say I want to top a gloss on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this gloss in the shade Sis. My lips feel super moisturized. It is super moisturizing, matte, but moisturizing. So let me go ahead and remove this, and we have two more to try on. Okay, you guys, so the next shade I'm gonna try is in the shade Me, and this looks a little bit darker than the other two that I tried, but let's go ahead and see. And this is how this baby looks. Definitely looks more darker than the other two, but let's go ahead and try it. The first one I tried with the lip liner, and the second one I tried with the lip liner and gloss, but this one I'm gonna try it by itself. Let's see how it performs. Okay, you guys, so this is how this shade is looking. Honestly, I was a little bit scared that it was going to be so dark because it kind of looks dark here, but when you apply it, look at the color. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful and super buttery as well. I love the consistency of these shades. I was a little bit scared applying it by itself because I usually like to apply lip liner so that way I don't get crazy with the lipstick, but I like how this lipstick is shaped. You have this pointiness to outline the outer edge of your lipstick, so that helped me a lot. So far I'm liking all the shades and I'm liking how it slides on my lips. So now I'm gonna take this lipstick off and we're gonna try the last one. Okay guys, so the last one I'm gonna try it by itself as well and then top it with a gloss. So this baby is in the shade In Vogue. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But let's see how this baby looks. So this is how this baby looks. It looks like a nude orange lipstick, and it also smells super good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips. So I'm using the pointy side of the lipstick to help me outline my lips. Okay guys, so this is how this baby looks. This is definitely more of an orange nude lipstick, and I absolutely love this shade. It looks so beautiful as well. And again, the same consistency, super buttery, super creamy, super lovely and beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top it with the Juvias gloss, and let's see how they perform together. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the center, and voila, look at that. Super duper cute. This is so pretty. The lipstick, the lip gloss combination, everything just looks absolutely super stunning. So yeah guys, these were the 4 lipsticks that came with the collection. I'm gonna go off camera and choose one of these 4 babies because I honestly don't know which one to choose. The 4 of them are absolutely so gorgeous, so beautiful. But I'm gonna go off camera guys, and I will be right back with you guys to tell you guys my final thought on this lipstick. So I went ahead and chose Libra for this makeup. This is how Libra looks. It looks absolutely so beautiful. It kind of makes my lips more plump. And now my final thought on this lipstick. So this for lipstick, right? Do I like it? Do I hate it? What's going on in my head? Okay, so my thought on this lipstick is that I can't even hide my expression because I really enjoy this lipstick, guys. Like from the start to the end, the consistency of this lipstick kept the same. This lipstick is super essential if you love a new glam makeup look. But yeah, guys, that was my review on the Juvias new lipstick collection. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video.